Hello, my name is Kishoran Gunsegaran. I'm from STKT Rawang. My class name is 6 Valuer. I'm very glad to be here. I have learned a lot, which is taught by Mr. Priest, and this is one new experience for me, and has gained a lot of experience.
You know who I am? How do you know? Okay. So, but don't call me Mr. Call me Abang Chris. Okay, what do you learn from it? Oh, what? Right, chase your dreams. Don't give up. Say one more like your mind. Okay.
My name is Susan and I'm 12 years old. So what I learned about today is that we have to chase our dreams and we should not give up too easily. So achievements are not born, they are made by us. So by doing this, I had more motivation to myself than before. So thanks to Mr. Krish for giving us motivation.
When we have problems, right, when we are faced with challenges, it's very easy to choose what? It's very easy to choose because the bad is very easy to choose, right? But the good is difficult. It's difficult, right? But if you choose the bad, right? If you choose the bad choice, you always get caught. Correct or not? And then when you get caught, what happens? Go to jail. You all want to be good sons and daughters, yes?
Yes.
You want to be good students, yes?
Yes.
Today is a very special day for all of you. For all of you, it's a very special day. Some of you will listen to what we tell you today, and you will change your life, and you will be very good citizens of the community, represent your school, and represent your family. All of you will do that, yes?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to teach you a few things, When we're faced with situations, it can be a good situation, a bad situation, we have to always choose the good, alright? And how it starts is how we think of ourselves. Okay, change your perspective. When we say change your perspective, do you know what's perspective? What is perspective? Perspective means the way that you look at things. The way that you look at your situation, okay? I want you all to think of this, when you're faced with anything, you always have a choice. Example, when you go downstairs, you have the choice of running down the stairs or walking down the stairs, right? Correct? You have the choice. But you make the choice of walking down because it's safer, and you don't injure yourself, and you don't injure your friend, correct? So you don't fall. So that's the perspective. Everything that you do, you want to look at the way that you do things, and you want to think about what is the good way and what is the bad way. And then when you think of the bad way, what do you do? Get it out. And you're only left with the good. Okay.
Hi, my name is Tarshana. I learned today that achievement is very not easy to get, and we must success in our life. We must be brave and never give up.
So, how do you improve? How do you improve yourself? How do you improve in school, in your family, as a son and daughter? How do you do that? Louder. Stand up. What did you say?
No, I did this.
Okay, that's what you can read. What's the first one?
Face your fears, admit your mistakes, believe in yourself, must study hard and we must be very gratefully in the studies. Then we must be a lecturer in Oxford or Cambridge, that is something. And I learned about a deed means we must be a brother, a sister, and must be a good student in all the activities of all the studies.
My name is Divsir. My age is 12. I read an activity drama. Today I learned about we must not give up in any situation.